Hi folks, wishing everyone a good day, and let's begin. Lenovo Legion Y700 Ultimate Edition with color changing glass pack has been launched in China. It's an 8-inch tablet. It is offered at a discounted price of around $489. This tablet, the Legion Y700, is not available worldwide. There was a standard model that was launched in China last February. The specs are identical. It is a great gaming device as it comes with a Snapdragon 870 chipset and has an exterior chrome exterior design. It has a LCD screen of 120 frames per second. There is two color options announced. One is ice white and one is the glare blue. The Legion Ultimate Edition will be for retailing for around $550. It changes color just to excite the gamers. It has the illuminating effect of RGB lighting, so it will actually make the give you a gaming vibe. It's an 8-inch tablet people wanted world over, but somehow they are not launching it. And you can try maybe resellers like Gistop or Light in the Box or AliExpress. Maybe they will deliver it abroad. Wish they launch it worldwide. It will be a big hit. 8-inch tablet in Android space is very rare, and also with a Snapdragon 870 processor. Launch it maybe 5G and a little bit cheaper pricing. Anyhow, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.